Hey guys, it's Mega, and hello to all our drift fans out there. We have a special white car theme for our build today, so stick around, grab some popcorn, rip that e-brake, because this build is going sideways in the most aesthetic way possible. And while you're at it, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel so you don't miss out on other builds and keyboard reviews in the future. So for the keyboard of choice, it's going to be a Keychron Q1, which is apparently missing its case. No matter, guess we'll just have to make do with what's here. And the stabs were stolen off. Guess we have to put in custom stabs. Such is the life of the street racing scene. I'm kidding, I have no idea what happens in the street racing scene. But in the keyboard scene, well, I don't think stabs get stolen off that easily. Except if they were plate mounted, then there would be a possibility. But since the Keychron Q1 features compatibility with PCB mounted stabs, not going to be a problem. Also, don't worry, the stabilizer wires were straightened and balanced prior to assembly, because that takes too long to do, so I just do that off cam. So yeah, a lot of you may know the anime and the manga called Initial D, which revolves around the story of a high school student named Takumi Fujiwara, who becomes a skilled drifter while working as a delivery driver for his father's tofu shop. Initial D has been praised for its realistic portrayal of street racing and car mechanics, as well as its well-developed characters and compelling story. The series has also been popular with car enthusiasts who appreciate the attention to detail and accuracy in the depictions of the cars and racing techniques. Overall, Initial D is a cult classic series that has gained massive following of fans and enthusiasts around the world, and it continues to be popular in the form of reruns, merchandise, and video games. Fun fact, it's actually based on a true story, and even the locations in the anime are all based on real streets in Japan. And of course, we had to add the PE foam and tape mod, which is kind of standard with keyboards these days, depending on your preference. Use them wisely. Client wanted some tactile switches, and he came from brown switches, so I thought the boba U40s would be a perfect fit and a perfect upgrade from those browns. Not hating on the browns, but still, the difference will blow his mind. So if you've not guessed it yet, the theme will be the white AE86 from the show, and I wanted to go for that two-tone look that was on the AE86 with a black hood. Technically, the hood of the keyboard is the bottom case, so it was black. And of course, we got that cool paint job with the same letterings on the car, naturally. And I just love the glossy finish on the board. Really makes it look like it's a car finish, and the lines on it, it's just so clean. And since this is a Keychron Q1, we'd love to put on the force brake mod. Just a great mod that just makes your keyboard, especially this keyboard, helps it become bouncy at the same time, sound really good. The anime is so popular even with keyboard enthusiasts. There are keycaps that were made of them, though to me I think it's a little overdone, but it's still pretty good and interesting. The novelties are cool though, and at least good enough for what the board needs. We spared no expense for this board. I actually wanted those flip-up lights from the AE86, which is one of the standout features of the car, but I couldn't find an artisan maker who could do that for me. But these were close enough, and honestly a great job by Mr. R. Mecha, who was patient enough with me to cater to what I needed. You guys should check him out. Links will be in the description. Enjoy the extended typing test.